It might seem nerdy what I'm about to say. I solved a puzzle just the other day. Brainwaves rising like a sunny chart. Got my lifetime pen and a genius heart.
Numbers dance when I count my years. Logic sharp, no dust on these gears. They say, slow down, I say, watch me glide. 80 candles, still intellect fire.
Yeah, the mind don't wrinkle, it just upgrades. New ideas stack like a better brain rate. From chalkboard dreams to digital days. Still asking why in 1,000 ways. And so you say, hey, come along.
If you feel your mind still sharp as fire.
And so you say, hey, come along.
If you still ace that logic puzzle wire.
And so you say, hey, come along.
If you love to think and still inspire. Then say it's 80, come along. If you think and dream much higher.
I read the journal with my morning tea, debating quantum quirks on Zoom at 3. They call me wise, I call it having fun. I've seen 8 decades and I'm not done. From slide rules up to AI flair. Still out thinking, folks, half my years, I swear. Memory long, curiosity wide. Got hypothesis cute and time on my side. So you say that, come along.
If you're proud, your neurons never sleep.
And so you say that, come along.
If you're trivia runs deep. Man, so you say that, come along. If your crosswords done in leap.
And so you say that,
Come along. If your jokes make geniuses weep.
80 on the clock, but the brain still ticks. Mental math quick, no parlor tricks. IQ high, but the ego stay low. Knowledge on tap, let the data flow. From yoga to Google, I bridge the divide. Analog roots with a digital stride. If wisdom's a beat, then I'm on that groove. Still solving tomorrow before breath fools. Experience flex, that's compound game. Years at rhythm, not rust of the brain. Laugh at the notion that sharpness retires. This mind's a laugh, still starting fires. No test can hold me back.
My score sky high.
No stress, man, stack the facts.
We more